Festival plesa i neverbalnog kazališta u Savicenti iz godine u godinu zapravo raste i u smislu nekog programskog profiliranja i u odnosu na publiku. Publika je dijelom profesionalno zainteresirana, a dijelom je lokalna, a ta lokalna publika također je već s godinama razvila svoj ukus, tako da točno zna što želi gledati ovdje. Savicenta je vrlo mali gradić, tako da smo mi svi koji smo okupljeni na festivalu nužno upućeni jedni na druge, na zajedništvo, na razgovor, na razmjenu iskustava, na druženje. I svi imamo nekako odjednom vremena jedni za druge. I osjećaj tog nekog sporijeg proteka vremena, što je zapravo na neki način izdvojeno vrijeme iz naše rutine i posvećeni smo jedni drugima, što mislim da je zapravo bit nekog festivalskog okupljanja.
I dalje je atmosfera izvrsna, publika je super, baš je dobra vibra u gradu.
I'm totally amazed and totally surprised because, of course, we didn't hear about this city before. I mean, it's a village. And first of all, it's amazingly beautiful.
Savicenta sama po sebi je posebna, opušteniji pristup radu, iako se sve jako profesionalno odradi. Jako mi je drago zapravo biti sa svojim projektom ovdje i izvoditi ovdje.
Kad već hodam festival, vidi da je to već publika koja zna što će gledati, ima dosta publike, dobra atmosfera. Mislim da je tu zapravo pomak je u toj profesionalnosti, u toj nekakvoj organizaciji.
This castle around, it's so really surprising and they have a great crew. It was fantastic to work with the people, very professional people, very helpful, very fast.
I think it's very, very beautiful festival, of course, regardless the space and the amazing castle and all the village. But I think what's most important, I think they really take care of everything.
This place is really special.
Nobody ever loved me like she does.
Brings some atmosphere that I think helps to the pieces, no?
Also, it was very nice to watch that there are so many people and it's so good to play in front of a big audience.
Mnogo je predstava, super je to što možemo vidjeti kako i drugi ljudi razvijaju svoje ideje.
Drago mi je da sam zapravo dio ovog međunarodnog festivala, da mogu pogledati predstave van Hrvatske, koje znači iz Mađarske, Švicarske i tako dalje. Imamo i radionice.
I do this kind of training that I was giving now in this workshop. It's very physical. Also, Maria's work is very physical, but maybe I push a bit more to the limits. I can say that it's an aerobic dance in a way because it has really a combination of martial arts, a bit of capoeira, a bit of breakdance. I have few influences of this. It requires, to prepare the body and because it's a really demanding movement. And of course, at the end, as I said, it's a training. We don't have to apply the training on the stage, but it's a way to prepare the body and for demanding pieces, let's say, or performances.
The festival was asking me to prepare a workshop that is more based on improvisation. So basically the exercises are games that invite performers to get in close contact with their senses. I had a lot of fun teaching here in the festival. Everybody was really open and eager to try my ideas and my exercises. The energy was fantastic.
Aeroways is a network which we started nearly 20 years ago and has grown from about a dozen European countries to now 34. A fantastic performing space inside this castle and a very interesting and surprisingly well-informed audience that seems to come and drive from quite a long way around the region, because the festival is very well established, and so there is an expectation that it's going to be enjoyed and what kind of thing is going to happen. And the reaction is spontaneous and genuine and heartwarming, and that's what makes me interested in carrying on working with this developing network.
I think it's also a very good support that San Vicente, the festival here, it's getting also this connection with Airway.
We started to collaborate together, Maria and me, since 2006, and till now we did many collaborations together. And this time we worked with 3 more dancers, so we were 5 on stage and also live music, so we are 6 on stage actually. We suggest time as a perceptual experience for the people, and we work with the physical and dynamic exercises. Very simple task that is inspired by the pendulum movement, so the body is in a non-stop kind of dynamic.
We were very interested in the use of a stick, like we were swinging sticks to create rhythm. So in a way it came out of this stick that we were playing with, and out of this stick, this swinging, we took it away and it became all this idea of the pendulum movement.
U projektu spajamo ples i video, odnosno bavimo se autentičnim pokretom djece.
Znači, ovaj projekt smo počeli kao radionicu u Svet Vincentu na rezidenciji i jako veliki odaziv je bio djece i to se vidi da je Svet Vincenat plesno mjesto.
like to work with intelligent dancers, and so technique is okay. That's a basic. You need to have technique, but you need to, I really like if the dancer has a personality and have thoughts and really can show the thoughts and can work on the things we are. I really believe in theater, which means that I like if there's a story, if there's a message, and if you can connect with the piece, it's possible to connect to the audience. I find it very important. I bring the idea, but we work together on the things, so their message or their life also gets into the piece.
Projekt Luna Malekova nastao je prošle godine u suradnji sa vizualnim umjetnicima. Ona je zapravo solo izvedba, moja solo izvedba. Sam projekt i koreografska praksa se bazira zapravo na nalaženju nekakve transformacije prostora. Pa inače se izvodi u kazališnim okvirima, u crnoj kazališnoj kutiji, a ovdje je dobio nekakav još dodatni touch.
Radili smo sa zadatkom da u stvari mišić, odnosno tijelo je to koje pamti svaku emociju. Kroz rad smo kroz te neke napete situacije ili užasno snažne fizikalitete dolazili do emocije koja je na kraju vidljiva na pozornici.
Duet Sunset Sorel izvode studentice Akademije dramskih umjetnosti s odsjeka plesa.
Duet koji izvodimo, kolegica Cynthia i ja, je duet od Jean-Claude Galota i nastao u suradnji zapravo sa Francuskim konzervatorijem. 2 puta smo izveli duet do sada, ali same izvedbe su bile ujedno pred profesorima, pred komisijom i to je zapravo bio ispit. Iako je bio javan, nije bila tolika zapravo šira publika, što zapravo daje neko dodatno uzbuđenje večeras na današnjem nastupu.
Super bi bilo da se ostvari neka dugoročnija suradnja, pokazivanja ili studentskih radova ili studentskih produkcija s naše akademije, jer mislim da je to izvrsna prilika da se studenti malo okušaju u profesionalnim uvjetima.
Preferiramo rad sa mladim plesačima, da im se omogući, to je moj smisao zapravo i rada i sa ansamblom i sa tim radionicama i drugim stvarima, da uvađamo mnogo mladih plesača koji tek stasaju i da im omogućavamo da rade sa pristojnim ili sa dobrim koreografima i pedagozima.
Ovo nam je 4. put da izvodimo predstavu.
Radili smo na instant kompoziciji i improvizaciji.
It was really interesting, the process. We were not forced to work with everyone, but it still happened like that we worked with each other, and there were no couples, there was no click, like, okay, I only work with you, no, there was always a flow, like, we change partner, you create something with that person, you create with the other one. It was really nice.
So at the beginning the work was based on improvisations that we were using to find motifs and images. We were working a lot with the video in order to remember and to identify these topics, and later on using just composition methods we came out with the piece.
The good part is like my backgrounds are totally different than the backgrounds from Arnulfo, no? And this was the interesting point and the meeting point. This was really good collaboration, and we hope that this collaboration can bring new things.
Predstava je zapravo nastala kao nekakav solo za Petru Hršanic, tako je nastala Love Will Tear Us Apart. Mi smo zapravo jako iznenađeni s obzirom da imamo to neko iskustvo da se ona igra već 5 godina.
Pokušavamo zapravo svaki puta kad je izvodimo da se sjetimo svih tih prijatelja ljudi koji su ili u predstavi ili van te predstave i da zapravo ona bude nekakva vrsta slavlja plesa. Nije predstava koja je zatvorena, nema nekakav 4. zid, nego postaje zapravo dio publike i ta publika zapravo postaje dio predstave.
Neka paralela predstave koja se meni spominje je i sa ovim festivalom. Da je počeo kao neka zdrava, mala inicijativa da živi. Da živi ponekad ambiciozno, ponekad naivno, želeći pokazati sve dispozitive suvremenog plesa danas.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.